row, we're going to do 2 knit, 2 purl. To review, a knit stitch is when you hold the working yarn in the back of your work. You go from the front or through the middle if your stitch is not twisted, if it's coming to you open. You grab the yarn, pull it to the front. Purl stitch, your working yarn is in the front. You come from the back or through the middle if that's how your stitch is coming to you and is not twisted. You grab the yarn in the front, pull it backwards, the last 2 stitches are purl. We're going to turn our work